Hi everyone, Alex here from Industry Detail. I just want to talk you through a job that's slightly sentimental to me. This brand new 2020 Defender. The reason it's sentimental is because I have been lucky enough to own a black 110 Defender, which I loved very much. And I've also grown up in the back of Land Rovers since being a young child. So I will just explain what we did to this car. A bit of background. The owner is going to use this car, you might think black might not be the most logical colour for heading out in the bush, but if you're going to wrap it in paint protection film, which is self-healing and can handle all the bush stripes and damage of taking out in the bush, black is a perfectly logical colour. So what have we done? We have protected full front, fenders, doors, A pillars, B pillars, C pillars. So basically, and mirrors also, so it can handle your bushwork without compromising the paint. I want to make a special mention to the bonnet for the reason being that the owner wasn't too sure about that, and I said, if you're going to go out bush, at least you've got the peace of mind you can throw a solar blanket over the top and not have to worry about scratching. So we've gone with that, and that's come up really well. The owner has also had this bar custom painted, so we're going to wait approximately 4 to 6 weeks for that to degas before we put film over the top of it. You'll notice the badge is missing across here. That had a silver badge that was matching, the lower bumper shroud area. We've ordered a custom, well not custom I should say, a black badge from Land Rover that's on a boat at the moment on the way, so we'll put that on when it lands for the owner. What else has he done? He has painted these wheels black, which looks pretty cool. Yeah, so as I say, protected from bush stripes, pin stripes, whatever you want to call them. In the case that does happen, it's simple as a bit of a kettle of boiling water over the top or a heat gun, and they'll literally melt out. So this is going to look good for the whole time the owner has the car, as opposed to looking shit for the whole time and then maybe thinking about an expensive respray at the end when you go to sell it to try and dress it up a bit for sale, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. Of note, there are some piano finish areas which I think are a little bit contentious on a car that's most likely out of the whole Land Rover family to get a bit of bushwork, namely the mirrors, which we have wrapped, so they're protected, A pillars, B pillars, which always get a hammering, and we also took the liberty of doing this area here, C pillar, but also there's a sort of an option to put an external box on there. So, what can I say? Stunning car, beautiful to drive. I also want to mention that this has to be seen. This paint has to be seen in person. You should see this film brings out 30% more gloss in the paint, and it's just pulled all the metallic flecks out of the paintwork, which looks incredible. Yeah, you've got to see it in person, but trust me, it is stunning. So I thought I'd just give you a quick look as well at, for those that haven't seen this new Defender, the inside of the car, because it's pretty damn cool. Look at this. This particular car, we also added some protection to the leather and the floor mats. How cool are those lights? Show you the boot. quite an interesting upholstery. This is sort of a fabric-y textile finish on the edge there. Lovely perforated leather. A little bit more apologetic than the previous series of Land Rover. Excuse my water droplets there. To drive. It's also very comfortable just to be in. And obviously very modern. But look at the details in this. I love how this paintwork runs on the interior. This had me a little bit nervous. It's sort of a suede looking finish, but it is just some kind of plastic, so you know, a microfiber, damp microfiber should keep that in check. A bit nervous about it being in such a high traffic area. And it runs through the interior. I don't know if that will turn on. No. Very, very cool design. Yep. So I hope you enjoyed this quick wrap up, pardon the pun, of this black 2020 Land Rover Defender. Stunning car, arguably one of the coolest cars to land in Australia this year, and yeah, quite a interesting moment in Land Rover history. And I'm really proud to be a part of that, and I look forward to having a chat to anyone who would like the same sort of benefits of paint protection film on their Land Rovers. A lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Cheers.